Hi, I'm Liv, and welcome to The Leopard Lodge. If you're new here, this is a channel dedicated to creative projects in the home. So I launched my channel back in June, but I actually started working on it about a year ago in January. And now I'm just about to hit the 1,000 subscribers mark. I mean, who knows? Maybe by the time this video launches, I'll have hit it. Fingers crossed. Woo! It is not restaurant sanctioned bottle opening. I would have been very sternly talked to if I opened a bottle that way at a restaurant. But I need to make it pop, you know? I owe it all to you, my audience. You who have watched regularly, subscribed, bought me coffees, told your friends, supported the channel from the beginning. And to those of you who have just found me, hello, welcome. Let's keep building this community. So cheers to all of you. We started the channel off with a banger, my most requested recipe from friends and family. Hey everyone, I'm Liv, and this is The Leopard Lodge. Today, the leopard is in the kitchen. We'll be cooking, or rather, chopping, because it's a salad. Today we are making a Sicilian-inspired citrus salad. The recipe originates in Sicily. I've grown tired of writing this recipe out for people after they tasted it at a gathering, so I was like, let's make a video. By the time we actually posted the video, citrus had gone a little bit out of season here in the Northern Hemisphere, but I suppose it's always citrus season somewhere. It's in season again now, so go check out that video, learn how to make that salad, and enjoy it because it's delicious. Since then, we've seen a lot of salads on the channel. My pickly herby tuna salad. With a beautiful salad that is sure to have all of your friends and family chasing you down for the recipe. Vegan Caesar made with aquafaba mayo. It's another salad recipe, but like, that's kind of my thing. Because if there's one thing I'm really good at, it's making salads. Of course, I'm good at a lot of things, if I do say so myself. Which is why this isn't just a cooking channel, it's a creative project channel. By the way, if you've been watching and not subscribing, what's up with that? Let's get you subscribed. It's free and easy. And maybe hit the like button while you're at it. Just for shits and giggles. I've really never been a fan of boxes. I don't fit inside of them. They are very containing, and I just tend to kind of want to not be inside of it. So I'm really bad at choosing one thing. It's been a constant pattern throughout my life. I've always been a kind of Jill of all trades. I wish there was a gender neutral term for that. Ugh. I find that my interests just continue to expand to include more and more things. There's always new things to learn and to make, and it's very exciting to get to share it with all of you. I've done some pretty cool DIY craft projects, but my favorite one was my Pinterest-inspired yarn and wood wall hanging. I was in a deep Pinterest hole for wall decor. They were giving me new suggestion, as they do. We were deep in. It's too bad because that was one of my really early videos and I was still learning a lot of things. I just like continue shooting me doing dumb stuff. Part of me wants to almost like remake that video just so I could do it better, but all in all, I was very happy with how it came out, and I do love that piece still. Of course, I want to make another one, so who knows? There was also that time where I redid my kitchen in anticipation of doing all of my filming for the channel, and then we moved. I am in fact now in a totally different place. Of course, I'm in my new place, super excited to be here. Thought I was gonna be able to do more kind of room makeover-y things, but I kind of just had to like move my stuff in. But I got a few coming. There's gonna be some stuff, especially in the new year. Got some pantry things coming. That pantry needed some work. I think one of my favorite things to do on this channel has been thrifting and thrift hauls. It is so exciting to me that people like to watch that kind of content because I love to make it. I love an excuse to go thrifting, and I definitely want to do some more like kind of like thrift flips in the new year, so we'll see some of those. Anyway, thank you for an amazing year of supporting me and getting to do the work that I love, and cheers. Again, we're gonna cheers a couple of times. I will be taking the first week of January off to get some much needed rest. I have taken probably 5 or 6 full days off in the last year, and I just need a real break, let my brain recharge, let my creativity come back. The irony is that when you try to work for yourself, you actually end up working like way more. But it is absolutely worth it to work for myself and get paid to do things that I love. I will see you all in the second week of 2022. Make sure you are following me on Instagram at The Leopard Lodge, and my jewelry at The Leopard Lodge Jewelry, so you can keep up with everything that I am doing while I am away from YouTube for a week. I'll definitely still be posting on there. And with that, thank you again. Cheers again. Happy New Year, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. So good.